Hello children, we are on the second part of lesson 2, that is teeth. Care of teeth and gums. Our next part is care of teeth and gums. Teeth helps in lot of functions like tearing, biting and chewing food. So it is very important to take care of teeth. When we eat food, small bits of food get stuck between the teeth. Bacteria or germs starts growing and feed on this food. They first make a sticky coating on the enamel that is called plaque. Then they make holes or cavity on the surface of the tooth. They travel through the dentine to the pulp, making the cavity bigger and bigger. This is called tooth decay, which is very painful. It results in weak teeth, toothache, bad breath, bleeding gums, indigestion. Infobuzz, please tick it out, and the highlighted words, please tick it out. The germs that spoil the teeth are mostly bacteria. More than 300 types of bacteria make up a dental plaque. Please tick it out. This try it you can do at your home and see. Take a boiled egg in a bowl, put some lemon juice over it. Leave it for a day or two. See how much of the cell is destroyed by the lemon juice acid. The same thing happens to your enamel by the action of germs which secrete acid. You can see after 2 days what is the condition of the egg. So our next part is, if we take care of our teeth, we can save them from decay. The true nutrients which help it, calcium and vitamin C, are very vital for our teeth and gums. It is found in milk, cheese, fruits like oranges are rich source of calcium and vitamin C. Coming to the next part, always remember the following. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day, early morning and at night before going to bed. We should use a soft brush and brush gently so that our gums are not damaged. You can see how to brush up and down, back and forth, behind the teeth. These are the methods of brushing. We must rinse the mouth after every meal. We should massage our gums daily using our fingers. A dental floss should be used for cleaning between the teeth. Visit your dentist every 6 months. We should try to visit dentist in every 6 months. Coming to the good food habits for healthy teeth and gums. The food that we eat and our eating habits play a very important role in development of healthy teeth and gums. Let us see what are the things we should follow for healthy and strong teeth. Drink milk every day. Eat fresh vegetables. Eat fresh fruits, especially the ones that contain a lot of water such as watermelon and pears. Limit the intake of chocolate, sugar and ice cream. Avoid processed food with excess sugar. Avoid food that stick to teeth. Avoid drinking packaged juices and aerated drinks. This you should avoid. Coming to the next part, let's do this. You can do by yourself. I have already written over here. Your first is incisor, that the total number is 8, 4 in each jaw. Canine, 4, total 4, 2 in each jaw. Premolar, 8, 4 in each jaw. Molar, 12, 6 in each jaw. Coming to the let's recap, this is important, you can read by yourself. Then coming to exercise part, the teeth starts appearing when the baby is around 6 months old. Normally an adult has 32 teeth. The shining white part of a tooth is called enamel. Cavities are formed on surface of the tooth. Dentine lies below the enamel. Teeth gives proper shape to the face. An adult has 6 molar in each jaw. The root makes sure that the tooth stays in place. We must rinse the mouth after every meal. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day. Then coming to match the following, first set of teeth, that is milk teeth, incisor, cutting teeth, pulp inside the dentine, dental floss cleans between the teeth, premolars broad and flat. Question answer part already we have given in the next video. This picture study, I have done it. You can see. You can also do in your book. This top portion is crown. This one is the root portion. This is enamel. This is dentine, then gums, then pulp, then nerves, then blood vessels. You can do in your book. Thank you.